Hey friends, I love cashew chicken, a popular takeout dish that is so full of flavors and textures. A dish with just a few steps to follow, and you can make it in your own home kitchen on any day of the week. For this delicious restaurant-style recipe, you need some chicken thighs, some vegetables, and you're ready to go. First, we make the sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, honey. Give this a quick stir. The ingredients and the quantities will be in the description box for you. I love Asian flavors. Set this aside. To go with the recipe, I have some deboned and skinned chicken thighs. I removed the bones and the skin earlier. I left one of these. Let me show you how I did that. So just pull out the skin here and then take out some of this excess fat. On all sides. And then just remove the bones. A boning knife will be more faster for doing this work. So take out these cartridges. And basically you end up with a boneless and skinless chicken thigh. A good example. So for these thighs, I'll cut them into some strips here. You can cut them in whichever shape, like so. And I'll go ahead and cut all these. I'll sprinkle this with some kosher salt, just a tiny amount to start with. A good amount of black pepper. And just stir on this cutting board. When you do this, it saves on cleanup. I don't want to do too much cleanup, so just toss this all together. Set this aside and then prep the veggies. Now with clean hands and a cleaver, start working on this pepper. We're just gonna use about half of it. So cut it into some nice dice. Get an orange one, same thing. Set this aside. One small red onion. And all we need to do for this one is just separate. Get these nice petals. Set this aside. A shallot will work perfectly for these two. Have a small carrot. We need ginger and garlic. Take about an inch of this. Thinly slice and then mince. Couple cloves garlic. These three should be enough to make just about a tablespoon. We also need some scallions. Mince the white part. Cut the green into some nice pieces. Definitely the star of the recipe, some roasted cashews here. All done, ready to go cooking. Now into this wok, add the cashew nuts, slightly toast them. Just quickly remove vegetable oil into the wok. Add the chicken. Chicken breast will also work for this recipe, but you want to be careful with that because it dries out very fast. This chicken looks good to me. It's been sauteing here for about 10 minutes. So we want to make sure that it's almost cooked, because once we add the vegetables, the dish is done. So remove into a container. Now reduce the heat, add a touch more oil, garlic, ginger, scallions white, add the red onions petals, carrots goes in, the peppers, just a touch more oil, bring the heat up, some salt, some black pepper, bring back the chicken with all the juices, it's already looking so beautiful and yummy. Add our prepared sauce. Some water. Bring all these flavors together. Add the cashews, scallions greens, serve this beautiful cashew chicken over some rice, some noodles, or any side of your choice. Give this a good bite here. The cashews. Wow. What a delicious dish, restaurant style, that you can make in your own kitchen. Just have some chicken. You can substitute the vegetables here with whatever vegetables you have, but I feel like the peppers, the onions, they go very well with this dish. The textures are just on point. So I hope this is a recipe you can give a try in your own kitchen, and you'll be ordering takeout from yourself. So thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.